Well, I want to thank Speaker McCarthy for bringing both Republicans and Democrats together, as well as Leader Jeffries for agreeing to do that so that people on both sides of the aisle can see just how dire this problem is, and having the CBO director talk about this new updated baseline, which should be a concern to everybody in America. Clearly, this isn't a partisan issue when you look at how out of control spending is, how the deficits continue to grow, and what that does to hurt the vital programs that we need to continue to work towards. We need a strong national defense. We want to strengthen Social Security and Medicare, and yet those programs are less stable today than they've ever been before. And so as we talk about the debt ceiling and how to get control over spending, I think it's important to engage the country in just how serious this problem is. If you think about what the real spending problem is, for every dollar that the federal government takes in, the federal government is spending $1.29. That cannot sustain itself. That's why we have these runaway deficits. In the last 2 years of massive spending, trillions of dollars in spending that President Biden did has only exacerbated the problem. And so as we talk about how to get control over spending and addressing things like why are we paying people not to work? Why are we spending over $100 billion, by the way, to give welfare benefits to people who are fully able-bodied who could be in the workforce? Not only can they be helping solve this problem, but they would be paying billions more into Social Security so that it wouldn't be insolvent as the current CBO baseline shows it. We can fix these problems. It's going to take a bipartisan agreement. Speaker McCarthy has laid out many times that he wants to have more conversations with President Biden to figure out how to get control over this problem. It's a national problem. It's not any one party that's going to solve it. It's going to take all sides coming together. And so today was a really good start to get everybody in a room together with the CBO director talking about the problem. We need to come up with more ideas about how to solve this problem. But I think having a realization of just where we are is going to only help the conversation about how we get out of this mess. With that, I want to bring up our whip, Tom Emmer.
Hello, friends. Happy Monday to all of you. You may qualify to receive extra relief benefits every month from our federal government. The Biden administration recently approved a new plan that will allow millions of older Americans to save hundreds of dollars a month on health care. Dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video, especially if you receive Medicare or Social Security benefits. Also, in just a few days, I will be announcing 2 more winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter the weekly giveaway, friends, simply click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. My dear friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the weekly giveaways. The Biden administration has made expanding access to health insurance and lowering healthcare costs for America's families a top priority. They recently announced that people with Medicare will see lower premiums for Medicare Advantage and Medicare Part D prescription plans in 2023. Additionally, thanks to the Inflation Reduction Act, individuals with Medicare prescription coverage will have improved and more affordable benefits, including a $35 cost-sharing limit on 1 month's supply of each covered insulin product. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services is releasing key information, including 2023 premiums and deductibles for Medicare Advantage and Medicare Part D prescription plans. This is to help Medicare enrollees determine the best coverage for their needs. The Secretary of Health and Human Services said in a statement, "We are delivering on our commitment to reduce healthcare costs for Americans, including 64 million people with Medicare. Thanks to President Biden's Inflation Reduction Act, millions of Medicare enrollees will have lower prescription costs and improved benefits when they sign up this year." Projections indicate enrollment will reach 31.8 million people this year alone. The projected average premium for 2023 Medicare Advantage plans is $18 per month. That is a decline of nearly 8% from the 2022 average premium of $19.52. Medicare Advantage plans will also continue to offer a wide range of supplemental benefits, including eyewear, hearing aids, and dental benefits. To help with Medicare costs, low-income seniors and adults with disabilities may qualify to receive extra financial assistance from the Medicare savings programs. These programs are essential to help millions of Americans gain access to high-quality health care at a reduced cost, yet only about half of eligible people are enrolled. The MSPs help pay Medicare premiums and may also pay Medicare deductibles, co-insurance, and co-payments if people meet the conditions of eligibility. Enrolling in an MSP offers relief from these Medicare costs, which in turn allows people to spend that money on other necessities like grocery, housing, or transportation. Also, friends, the Biden administration has approved the massive Willow Oil drilling project in the state of Alaska, angering climate advocates and setting the stage for a court challenge. The Willow Project is a decades-long oil drilling venture in the National Petroleum Reserve, which is owned by the federal government. The area where the project is planned holds up to 600 million barrels of oil, though that oil would take years to reach the market, since the project has yet to be constructed. By the administration's own calculations, the project would generate enough oil to release 9.2 million metric tons of planet-warming carbon pollution per year. That is equivalent to adding 2 million gas-powered cars to our roads. The approval is a victory for Alaska's bipartisan congressional delegation, who hailed the drilling venture as a much-needed new source of revenue and jobs for the remote region. Republican Senator Lisa Murkowski of Alaska said in a recent statement, "Alaska is now on the cusp of creating thousands of new jobs, generating billions of dollars in new revenues, and improving quality of life on the North Slope and across our state. But it's a major blow to climate groups who oppose the Willow Project and argued the project will hurt the president's ambitious climate goals and pose health and environmental risks." The Willow Project has received an uprising of online activism against it, including more than 1 million letters written to the White House in protest of this project, and a Change.org petition with millions of signatures. Environmental advocates are expected to challenge the project in court. Earth Justice, an environmental law group, has been preparing a case against the project, and they intend to argue that the Biden administration's authority to protect resources on Alaska's public lands. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts about the Willow Project? Please let me know what your thoughts are in the comments section below. Well, my beautiful and most amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Monday. Thank you, dear friends, for being part of this community and for joining me here every single day. My friends, I will be announcing 2 winners this coming Friday for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter the weekly giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. My friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. Thank you and have a wonderful and very blessed day.